Hi guys. Don't you think the number of employees that a particular project has should figure in more prominently into how serious we take a project? It would seem to have to do with its potential to make progress. So can we get this metric more widely reported? Thanks.
Okay, good question. So the question is basically, should the number of employees in a project factor into the research or the fundamentals of that? I would say yes and no. I think it definitely is a metric to be aware of. Actually, in our analysis, it wasn't really about the number of employees per se, but more of the quality of the management team, right? So ever since 2017, we've always been looking for teams with all-star teams, right? Because people who've been there, done that before, typically are better at executing because they've already done that before, right? So for us, our definition for great team was basically people who've worked at well-known companies in the space, right? Basically, publicly traded companies. Imagine Amazon, Google, Facebook, engineers, or people who've worked for well-known projects. So imagine like an Ethereum core developer, or Bitcoin core developer, people who've worked on top 25 market cap blockchain projects and have had past success. So that's typically our criteria, not so much the size, because I think if you have 100 people on the team, that definitely filters you out as likely not being a scam. But in terms of whether or not you actually be a great project as an investment, that I'm not so sure. Forrest, how about you? Do you factor in team size into the analysis?
No, I completely agree with you. Quality over quantity. Though it is nice when you see a project that does have, a decently sized team, whether it's 10 to 20 people. Like you said, it kind of lets you rest assured that it's probably not a scam if they've got that many employees, and they also are probably well funded. Something that I'll do on some projects, if there's only a few employees, I'll look on their hiring page and I'll see what they're currently looking, what positions they're currently looking to hire and how many they're looking to hire. And that also plays into how much funding they've received so far. So echo exactly what you said.
Bill, what do you think?
I think it's pretty easy to hire and outsource employees to make it look like you've got a better roster. I think you can have one backer like Multicoin or Galaxy Digital and let the people fall in line after you've got the backing, right? You can always hire a friends and family team and make it look real, but really it's the question of who's writing the checks.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.